Discover how Mashreq Virtual Assistant facilitates your banking experience. In just a few simple steps, you can effortlessly manage your Mashreq NEO cards and handle various account requests directly from your mobile device. First, let's dive deeper into how Mashreq Virtual Assistant grants you a fast and smooth banking experience. Through it, you'll be able to inquire about transactions, inquire about active campaigns, request a paper bank statement, view card delivery status, download your electronic bank statement, e-statement, temporarily lock your card, register a complaint, as well as many more services to come. Stay tuned. Now, let's see how you can access Mashreq Virtual Assistant for your Mashreq NEO account. Step 1. Log into Mashreq NEO. Log into your Mashreq NEO account through the Mashreq Egypt app. Step 2. Get help. Select the Help option, then choose Mashreq Virtual Assistant. Now you can easily communicate with Mashreq Virtual Assistant for help and support. Please keep on watching till the end to learn more about how Mashreq Virtual Assistant can help you with all your inquiries regarding your Mashreq NEO account with ease and convenience. That's it. Happy banking!